Hi guys, it's Arnav from Tech Review Kit, and today we'll be unboxing and setting up the AirPod Pros. Let's get started. So first we're going to take a look around the box. So we have the Apple logo on the side, the AirPods on the front, the AirPods in their case on the back, another Apple logo on the side, AirPods Pro wireless charging case, and some information. So now let's get right into the opening. Okay, and let's take them out. So the first thing we'll see is designed by Apple in California. We're going to put that to the side for now. And now we have the AirPods themselves. We're also going to put these to the side for now. We're going to see what else is in the box. So there's a USB-C to Lightning cable in the box included. And then there's like other earbuds, because these come installed with medium size. And this is small and large. Okay, so now we're going to open the AirPods themselves. Oh, so these are them. We're going to open up the lid, and it's in pairing mode, so it should pop up on this phone. Yes, it did. It popped up. We're going to click connect. And now it's going to tell us a little bit about features. Okay, media control. Press once noise control. Press and hold on either AirPod to switch between noise cancellation and transparency. Control center. Press the volume slider to view additional controls for noise cancellation and transparency. Or you could set up Hey Siri. So I think we're going to go ahead and set up that later. Not right now. So not now. Announce messages. So I think we're going to have it announce messages. And so the AirPods are at 45% charging because they're in the case, and the case itself is at 53%. So bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing and setup. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye!